डिअर स्टुडंट्स, सगळे सेफ आहात? सेफ राहा, काळजी घ्या. Last lecture we were discussing merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Now we are going to discuss very important topic of this lesson, that is demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Demerits means what? There were some limitations, and that limitations are making disturbing to arrange elements systematically. Let us see which are that demerits. The first one, the first demerit. There were some examples of elements who were having the same atomic masses. If two elements having same atomic masses, then which element will come first? So this was a doubtful information, and that was a big demerit. So we can write the same information like this one. Elements with the same atomic mass were ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. Ambiguity means doubtful, not clear. So this was one of a demerit. For that one, I can give you one example. Nickel and cobalt. Nickel and cobalt having the same atomic mass. So which element will come first? That was a doubtful. So this one is our first demerit. Second demerit is related with isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes having same chemical properties but different atomic mass number. In a Mendeleev's periodic table, we need to arrange isotopes at a one position as they having the same chemical properties. But due to the different atomic masses, we can't do that one. इसका मतलब ऐसे होता है कि सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज वाले आइसोटोप्स को एक जगह पर रखना जरूरी है, बट उनके एटॉमिक मासेस डिफरेंट होने की वजह से उनको अलग अलग पोजीशन पर रखना होता है. सो इट वाज वेरी हार्ड गाइस फॉर मेंडेलीव. सो व्हाट वाज दैट एक्चुअली टू राइट इन एग्जाम? नो प्लेस फॉर आइसोटोप्स as isotopes have same chemical properties but different atomic masses. So isotopes were unable to place in his table. Let's see the next one. Let's see the third one. Third demerit is slightly lengthy. As we are knowing, Mendeleev's periodic table is based on increasing order of their atomic masses. But you see, while observing this table, we can see that every time a changes in atomic mass was not uniform. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जब हम लोग मेंडेलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में देखेंगे तो उनका जो डिफरेंस है एटॉमिक मासेस का, ये एवरी टाइम सेम नहीं पाया जाएगा. इट वाज नॉट यूनिफॉर्म, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जो अनयूनिफॉर्म डिफरेंस है बिटवीन टू एलिमेंट्स, सो जो अनयूनिफॉर्म डिफरेंस के बीच में how many elements can be placed or how many elements can be discovered was not very much clear. So what to write exactly? So it is like this one. While arranging elements in increasing order of their atomic masses, the rise of atomic mass was not appear to be uniform. That means a change in atomic mass was not uniform. So because of that, it was very hard to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy metals. यानी दो हेवी मेटल्स के बीच में, दो हेवी मेटल्स मीन्स क्या, एक एलिमेंट और दूसरे एलिमेंट, ये दोनों में जो गैप है, इस दौरान ये दोनों एलिमेंट्स के बीच और कुछ एलिमेंट्स हो सकते हैं कि नहीं है. दिस वाज अ अननोन इंफॉर्मेशन एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ अ लिमिटेशन. लेट्स सी द लास्ट demerit of Mendeleev's periodic table. It is regarding hydrogen. Mendeleev was not confirmed to give hydrogen one fixed position, either alkali metal or halogen. What it means? Mendeleev हाइड्रोजन को एक फिक्स पोजीशन पर ठीक से बिठा नहीं पा रहा था. He was sometimes placing hydrogen as alkali metal. Alkali metal means highly reactive metal group. That is also known as first group. Or sometimes he was placing the same hydrogen as halogen. that is highly reactive non-metals group. Now ये कैसे हो सकता है कि एक एलिमेंट हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल या हाईली रिएक्टिव नॉन मेटल दोनों पोजीशन पर पाया जा सकता है. So this was a limitation, and in this limitation what to write then? It is like this one. No fixed position for hydrogen. Hydrogen was not able to give correct or fixed position either halogens or alkali metals by him. So these are the total 4 demerits. Guys, you are going to copy all this 4. I have written in a notebook. I will give you the same one. You just copy and do a study of that one. Exam point of view, very important. I will say that it is the most important topic of this lesson. So एक काम करायचं आहे, खूप महत्त्वाचा टॉपिक आहे हा. व्यवस्थित अभ्यासात घ्यायचा आहे, व्यवस्थित लिहायचं आहे, त्याची नेहमी प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. whichever the exam is you are going to face later on in future, and if this lesson is there, so this is very important question you will see. So guys, we completed Mendele's periodic table. If such a number of demerits are there, then you can see guys, so we need to see the next scientist information, and that is Henry Moseley. Let's see Henry Moseley. Students, copy this one, all this point, enter these points in your notebook and do a practice of the same one. This one will be your homework. Take care.